They're stopping me from going to my garden. You know, they're stopping me from going to my garden. Don't touch my breasts. Move your hand.
What's your problem?
Wait. Don't touch my breasts. You have women here. Don't touch me.
What? Don't nobody listen. Anybody.
Wait. Don't push me.
You want to hurt my wife? You're beating my wife. Look at these people. You people, you are.
Wait. I'm trying to explain to these people.
Are we under arrest? My wife is under arrest.
No.
You're trying to assault my wife. You woman, you think you're about me. We cannot, my wife cannot pick food. My wife cannot pick food. What do you mean use the water? You don't tell us who picks food.
You beat my boy. You beat him. He's here. He doesn't have a tooth. They beat him yesterday.
Don't hustle with them, Mama. Come with me.
Am we going to eat?
Come with me. Come with me. It's official. They are blocking my wife from picking food. You're blocking us from picking food. You don't pull my gate. This is not your home.
This very man was touching my breast. This one.
When?
Here.
You come at my home, you touch my wife's breast.
The other one was standing around with his drawing on me. I was standing right here. As if they don't have women here. No, but it is you who is at the front. You were standing right here, pulling my breast. These women, I'm the one who called them. They were standing down there. You got the men who were pushing me from here.
I'm glad everything is on camera.
It's okay. No problem. It's okay.
I don't think there is any reason to lock that door anymore. Whoever wants to come in should come in.
No, don't lock it. If you want, you can jump in like you jumped in. You are trespassing. You're inside my compound. You have no right to pull this. This does not belong to you. What kind of impunity is this?